One of the coolest things here, the guy brought this out of Oklahoma not too long ago. Got the welder working last night. It's a Chrysler straight 8 Hobart 400. The Army had these things for field repair, for field welding. They drive it right to where they needed something broke down fixed. Weld mobile. Hobart welder, Troy, Ohio. Brought it back from close to home. I hope to catch him here when he's welding with it. I may have to put this one on YouTube if I don't catch him. There you go. Hobart weld mobile. Another survivor. Okay, thanks for watching my video.